Attention citizens of Ohio and viewers worldwide. This is an urgent emergency alert. A containment breach involving the Backrooms, an infinite, reality-warping labyrinth of yellow rooms and flickering lights, has been confirmed. This dimensional anomaly defies conventional physics and is inhabited by hostile entities. Those who enter are lost indefinitely. There is no known escape. An international coalition of specialists has been deployed, but communication is failing due to unexplained interference. Distant whispers, footsteps, and cries for help are emanating from suspected breach points globally. Under no circumstances should anyone approach these areas. Residents, especially in Ohio, must remain indoors and secure all entry points. Report any unusual disturbances to authorities immediately. Avoid all contact with this phenomenon. This situation is ongoing. Your safety is the priority. Stay calm and stay safe.
Spin. Today, I wanted to play. Too much stuff got in the way. The school's a rule, but that's still cool. Because at 2:45, I'll be free. Then I got practice. And after
Attention citizens of Ohio and viewers worldwide. This is an important update regarding the ongoing Backrooms containment breach. Recent investigations by the International Coalition of Scientists and Containment Specialists have revealed new information about the nature of the Backrooms. The anomaly continues to expand unpredictably, with new breach points detected in multiple regions. Communication with field teams remains intermittent due to severe dimensional interference. Authorities report increased activity of hostile entities and intensified auditory phenomena, including whispers and cries for help. All residents, especially in Ohio, are reminded to remain indoors, secure all entry points, and avoid any contact with the Backrooms or related phenomena. Emergency response protocols have been heightened. Your safety remains the highest priority. Please stay safe.